What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. On Friday, bulls target 25,000 Bitcoin. So let's check if it's achievable this coming Friday. So first, let's check the overall crypto market. What is happening today? I think we are still trading between in the range, guys. Bitcoin is still inside the bear flag channel. New destination. Welcome to the live stream. We have Jeton Pashkaj. Is relief rally is a relief expected for the market upcoming weeks? Maybe a bounce as high as 27K. Please do Rune. All right, so let's check some of the charts today. I have some of the charts already prepared, so we'll check Bitcoin. We have 1 inch, we have Phantom, we have ADA, we have Gala, and we have Rune. If you have watched the live stream yesterday, some of our setups played out well today. Andres Jaworski, welcome to the live stream. Bruce Wayne, House Gotham. BTC pump or dump. So this coming Friday, Bull's target is 25,000. So let's check who will win. There will be option expiration this coming Friday. So Bulls and the Bears is going to fight for certain levels. So let's check later on who will win. Is it the Bulls or the Bears? Da Vinci, bonjour. How about short support will go? So we'll check, guys, the overall crypto market today. Let's check first. Price of Bitcoin still yesterday. Our target for Bitcoin is around $23,600. That will be the bounce for possible wave B. before going to wave C. So let's check if our correction waves will be invalidated or are we still on track. Also, we have Ethereum trading at 1,662, up today by 0.47%. Hello, Chill. Could you explain your announcement message from the VIP? I will explain it today in this live stream. BNB is currently trading. So yesterday, guys, the target the target for BNB, I think I have explained to you BNB, or I think I've shared it in the VIP. Let me check. BNB, I have shared a short-term trade. One sec. It's currently trading at $300. I'm sure I've shared this chart. Let me check. BNB 1 hour time frame, quick. Yeah. So I have shared one long position, guys, in the VIP futures trade setup. I will show you the chart. I think it's still available in my trading view account. Long position 290 right now. It's trading at a $300. It already break the breakout target. So let me update you with BNB, up by 4%, 4.6 in the past 24 hours. Can you check Theta? We'll try to add later on Theta if we still have time, from Sunil watching right now. All right, so XRP is also up by 0.35 in the past 1 hour, down by 0.13. Small move from XRP. We have also Cardano. Solana wallet has been hacked today. A lot of funds has been stolen. I'm not sure if they were able to resolve the issue. If you have seen my post today, I'm buying one more ledger. I'm trying to consider buying Ledger or Trezor. So let me know, guys, if you have a promo code for Ledger. I can use it. I would like to add additional hardware wallet because of the current hackings right now. Crypto is not safe. If you're imagine saving your funds in Solana wallet and waking up one day with all your funds drained out, zero. That would be a tragedy. So I'm considering buying hardware wallet right now. Additional. Right, so Solana, despite of the hacking incident, it's only down by 4%. Trying to short it today, but still didn't affect the price that much. Polkadot is at number 10, up by 22% in the past 7 days. And we also have Dogecoin at number 12. Polygonmatic up by 2%. Uni, one of the strong movers as well, up by 6.26% in the past 24 hours. DXY breaking out of the falling wedge. Not sure why anyone is bullish short term. You know, for the wages of sin, I think most of the negative news here in crypto are bullish. The recession, the CPI, the rate hike, all bullish. I don't know why they are getting bullish about those kind of news. Nasdaq about to hit major long-term resistance, 1.5 away from the trend line. And I think S&P 500 is approaching the resistance, strong resistance line as well. Ethereum Classic is still very strong, guys, up by 33% in the past 7 days. Litecoin still trying to reclaim the number 20 spot. Where is Xeon? What happened to Xeon? The bubble just popped. We have strong movers. Gucci now accepting APE. We have also Trust Wallet gaining traction because of the Solana hacking, I guess. All news is bullish news. That's true. VAT is also up by 10%. We have LDO, we have Uni. These are the strong movers today. We have Polkadot here, 3.7, and we have BIT at 8.4. Also, we have 1 inch. Thanks for the stream, chill, bro. You're doing it. Thank you. Thanks for joining me daily. And we have our fear and greed index at 34 right now. So from extreme fear in the previous month, right now, we are slowly recovering. We forgot that we have been on a downtrend from November. And right now, the fear is slowly subsiding. How about BTC short? Let's check if we can short Bitcoin. Overall, long and short position right now from CoinGlass. We have 5-minute time frame here, 51%. I am on a short right now on BTC. Too much overhead resistance. DXY is still bull running. Yesterday I have shared the chart about DXY. It actually bounced from the support trend line. So let me check it today as well. All right, so BTC 5-minute time frame, guys. Short position is 51%. In the 15-minute time frame, we have mostly shorts, 52%. Mostly are shorts right now on Bitcoin. So yesterday, my target for the wave B possible bounce was around $23,600. I think we have reached that today. And currently hovering at around, Bitcoin is currently hovering at around 23,000 below wave B, if my Elliott wave is correct. So mostly are in short right now. So for Ethereum, 30-minute time frame, also mostly in shorts. Oh my goodness, mostly are in shorts right now. Usually when I check the long and short position ratio here, and when mostly are in short, guys, this market makers will just go the opposite. So Ethereum right now, 15-minute time frame, 53% in short position. 5-minute time frame, we have 50% short position. Let's check the higher time frame. 4-hour, almost 50-50. Let's check first the liquidations before we proceed with the news. BTC, a very low volume, 23 million in the past 24 hours. Ethereum, 52 million. The volume is very low. Let me check the exchanges here. Derivatives. Volume is still very low. I don't know what is happening, but this means that if the volume is very low, let's check the chart. Let's check the chart. The volume, price bouncing from the moving average, 50-day moving average. We have a support here. This was the support yesterday, and we got a bounce for possible wave B before heading down to the wave C target. This will be invalidated if the price breaks this white line at around $23,600 to $700. So we have very low volume. So this means that most of the traders right now are retails, institution, and big entities are not yet in the game. They are not trading. They're not joining this range trade within this area right now. So mostly retails are trading, because if you can check here, derivatives, the volume just continues to drop. Yesterday, this was also all negative. So most of the volume are dropping 26% down. OKX, we have Binance down by 15%. Trading volume, total trading volume here. Poloniex, right? So guys, this coming Friday, crypto, welcome to the live stream. Welcome also Marlboro, we have on the live stream. Blue Migraine, how about BTC short? Go to ETH and draw trend line from 4-hour chart from April. You will see we are on major resistance as well. Yeah, we are. Ethereum is on the major resistance right now, but we need to be careful as well, because once Ethereum or Bitcoin or any crypto breaks the major resistance and turn it into a support, it's going to be a big pump coming. So this coming Friday, guys, we have Bitcoin bulls aim for 25,000 price Bitcoin. So this coming Friday, there will be an option expiration, and money at stake is $510 million. BTC price been gaining momentum as it nears $24,000, but Bitcoin right now is struggling to break this level. In this week, option expiration could help bulls profit $200 million. So 51 days have passed since BTC last closed above $24,000, causing even more bullish trader to question whether a sustainable recovery is feasible. However, despite of the lackluster price action, bulls have the upper hand on Friday, $510 million Bitcoin option expiration. So investors have been reducing their risk exposure as Federal Reserve raises interest rates and unwinds its record by $8.9 trillion balance sheet. As a result, the Bloomberg Commodity Index, or BCOM, which measures price changes in crude oil, natural gas, gold, corn, and lean hogs, has traded down 9% in the same period. Traders continue to seek protection via U.S. Treasuries and cash position as San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly said on August 2 that the central bank fights against inflation is far from done. With that being said, the tighter monetary impact, inflation, employment levels, and the global economy are yet to be seen. So I think the worst is yet to come, I think, in my personal opinion, because right now we have all this recession rate hike, CPI report, we have all the hacking incident, but overall crypto market remains bullish. Even Solana, guys, I'm expecting Solana would drop today, but it keeps on the price keeps on going up. Let's check Solana's price. Just very quick, guys, because I was actually expecting to short Solana. Once I saw the news, I was expecting the price to drop, but it didn't move. Instead, it moved up. I don't know what is happening with crypto right now. So bearish bets are mostly below 22,000. So the bear's target will be 22,000 or below. So Bitcoin's recovery above 22,000 on July 27 took bears by surprise, because only 28% of the put sell option on August 5 have been placed above such level. Meanwhile, bulls may have been fooled by the 24,500 pump on July 30, as 59% of their bets lay above 25,000. So many has been trapped by this area here. Overall, guys, if you're going to zoom out, Bitcoin is still trading inside this bear flag pattern. And right now, since July 29, Bitcoin is still in an overall downtrend, guys. Overall downtrend. So in the lower time frame, you might see some small pump or some small bounce, but overall, this is still in in an overall downtrend. And right now we are seeing a small break of trend here. I don't know if we can consider this area here, because this is just a candle wick. So in order for the resistance trend line to be valid, price needs to hit the resistance 3 times. So this one here, I don't know if we can consider this, because this is just a wick. But if we can, Bitcoin right now is breaking out from this falling wedge, or we have also this downtrend parallel channel here. So if this will be a valid resistance trend line, Bitcoin right now is breaking out from the falling wedge or the downtrend channel. So this is in the lower time frame, but if you're going to zoom out, this is still in an overall downtrend. So next support or next price target that I am still targeting, I'm still on short position, guys. Bitcoin, I still have my short position open at $24,000, and I'm still on short position for Ethereum. My entry is at 1,735. ETC, I'm also short. My entry is at 41. So overall, my target, because I'm considering yesterday in the previous stream, I have discussed with you that this could be, let me close all the other indicators first. I'm sorry guys, I'm all over the place. We are discussing the news. I just want to quickly show you Bitcoin's price. But again, going back to the news, guys. This coming Friday, this will be our target. So bull's target will be 25,000. Keep this in mind. This will be the target, 25,000. If bulls will be able to reach 25,000, they could pocket $510 million. So these are the list here. Bulls might pocket $200 million in profit. Below are the 4 most likely scenario based on the current price action. The number of option contract available on August 5. Right now it's August 3, so that's 2 days from now. For call bull and put bear instrument varies depending on expiration price. The imbalance favoring each side constitute the theoretical profit. So if Bitcoin price on Friday closes between 20,000 to 20,000, the net result favors the bear, and they will win 75, or they will gain $75 million. And if the price reaches or trade in between 22,000 to 24,000, the net result balance between call, buy, and put sell instrument, 1,400 calls versus 1,600 puts. That's for the bears. Between 24 to 25,000, 3,800 calls versus 100 puts. The net favors the bulls by $90 million. And this will be the last target, guys. Between 25,000 to 26,000, 0 calls versus 7,900 puts. Bulls extend their gains to 200 million. So the bulls will pocket $200 million if Bitcoin will be able to break or trade in between $25,000 to $26,000. So in Friday, it's going to be exciting fight between the bulls and the bears. So let's go back to the chart. So going back to the chart, guys, yesterday, I don't know, I'm not sure with my Elliott wave here. I cannot I'm not able to to check if this will be a wave 5 or 5 waves here. Can we consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And this could be a correction waves here, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong. And this could be wave C, A, B, and C. So possible target remains at $21,000 near the support trend line, if this is correct, guys. I'm still trying. It's hard to learn Elliott waves because you need to deal with the bigger waves. Like, for example, you're checking the weekly time frame, you will have like major waves here, like this one. We could have this bigger wave, 1, 2, 3, possible 4 and 5. So we could have a bigger wave, and then a here you'll be able to see it here. So we have the super millennium cycle, we have the millennium, we have sub-millennium, we have grand super scale, we have super scale, we have cycle, we have primary, we have intermediate, we have minor, minute, we have all these scales, guys. So within waves there are smaller waves, and within smaller waves there are also smaller waves inside. So there will be also validation for this kind of wave. So for example, this one here, you will have like 5 waves inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, or WXY. So all of that, it's hard to analyze one chart and trying to perfect the Elliott wave. So I don't know if this is correct in the daily time frame. If this is correct, my target remains the same, and this is in confluence with the support and resistance line here. So right now, Bitcoin has been rejected from the resistance trend line at around this area, and it's on the process of retesting the previous support, which is the support trend line here. And the next possible support will be on this level. My chart is a little bit messy, guys, but that's how it is. So here, possible support. Right now, I am shorting most of the bounce because we are still in an overall downtrend. So like here, this could be a possible short here, short position at around this area, because this is still in an overall downtrend. The trend is your friend until it ends. So some of us here in the space are trying to resist the trend. In an uptrend, they're trying to short the uptrend. So you will get hurt because there are a lot of whales and market makers in the market, guys, and they have a lot of funds. They have very deep pocket compared to our pocket. So how do we match? How do we match? And how do we win this kind of game? So for me, try to manage position sizing. And by the way, before we proceed, guys, all the information in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice, because cryptocurrency is highly volatile, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Especially Elliott waves are really hard. Yeah, Elliott waves are really hard to interpret, and if you interpret Elliott waves wrong, you could be in a very bad position. So for example here, if this could be the end, for example, this could be the start of the impulse wave here, and you're expecting correction waves, and this could be impulse wave, so you could be in danger. We could have 5 waves going up here. But of course, we can minimize the risk by setting a stop loss. And also, proper position sizing is very important. So right now, this is my narrative for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still trading inside this. If you're going to zoom out, Bitcoin is still trading inside this bear flag pattern, and Bitcoin has been rejected from the resistance trend line. So we are still in an overall downtrend. I'm still in a short position. I'm also scalping short inside the trend, small scalps inside. So every time we have a little bit of pump, I'm shorting it because right now we are still in an overall downtrend. And I will start to close my short position once we see some indicators for a reversal. So let me show you some of the indicators. First, we need to spot a reversal candle like this. This is a inverse hammer or a bullish candle, guys. And also this one here, this are reversal candle. Also this one here, this is a bullish candle here. We have a support, we have a reversal candle, we are near the support trend line. So these are the signs and signals that I'm looking at before setting a long position. Right now, I'm still holding my short because we are still in an overall downtrend. I am still expecting the price of Bitcoin to revisit the previous support trend line. If not, I have already closed 50% of my position. I have adjusted my stop loss back to the entry. So 100% my trades are already safe and with profit. So right now, I'm just maximizing my gains by holding my short position, and trying to maximize what I can squeeze with this trade right now. So I'm still expecting Bitcoin to revisit the previous low. Hello, Chill, Muhammad Nazim Uddin. Hello, Chill. Welcome to the live stream. So that's for Bitcoin, guys. Still, I'm expecting this wave C, correction waves. This will be invalidated if the price breaks above 20,600. If we can see candle close above 20,600, this will be invalidated. Especially watch out this coming Friday for the option expiration. Let's move on to the next chart. We have 1 inch. Watch out for 1 inch. About to break. 1 inch is about to break the resistance here. It's trading between the ascending triangle, and we have the resistance at around 0.79. And here's the possible place for 1 inch, guys. So watch out. If this price is going to be rejected here, expect the price to revisit the previous support trend line. So every time the price hits the support trend line, that's the time to buy or to set a long position. And every time the price approaches the resistance trend line, that's the time to set a short position. But also you need to check price action. So for this one, you can set a short position here if this will be rejected. Right now, you're looking at daily time frame. So in order to check for the price action, check the lower time frame. So this is our line here. And it seems that the price is already trading above the resistance line at 0.7979 or 0.8. And if you can see a 1 hour whole candle above this resistance line, that could be a confirmation of a breakout. So possible place for 1 inch is long upon breakout confirmation. So breakout, retest of support, we can set long position here. Target will be $1 to $1.08. This will be the resistance for 1 inch. And possible long every time the price revisit the support trend line. Next is Phantom. We have Phantom here. It's trading, or we have a parallel channel, but I'm scared of trading this kind of pattern because this looks like a bear flag, and this could drop anytime because bear flag correction starts when the price revisit the resistance trend line. Possible breakout target will be 0.14 cents for Phantom. But if this continues to move up, you can train this range here inside. So possible short here, long, short, long, short. So if the trend continues, guys, this will be our range here for Phantom. But again, this looks like a bear flag pattern, so be careful. Another one is ADA. Yesterday, ADA was trading at around this area here, 0.54, and as what we have discussed yesterday, possible long position near the support trend line here, 0.48. So these are small percentage, but if you're trading futures, 10% is already a big gains, guys. 10% multiplied by 50x, that's already 500%. How much? YouTube trader, I'm good. How are you? How are you, brother? So that's for ADA. We still have the resistance here in the daily time frame. You're looking at the daily time frame. To confirm the price action, check the lower time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour. If you're trading or scalping, use the 15-minute time frame. So ADA, I'm still expecting a bounce here from the support trend line until and a possible retest of resistance at 0.54. And also watch out if ADA will be able to break this. Next target will be 0.6 until $0.66. So this will be our range for now. And also watch out once the price reaches the resistance, possible short position and revisit of the previous support trend line. So this will be our range inside here until we see a breakout. So once you see a breakout, possible long on retest of support, next target will be 0.6 until 0.66. That's for ADA. Let me share it to the VIP so they can benefit with our charts today. ADA, as discussed in... All right, so let me just share all the chart, guys. One sec. BTC. BTC as discussed in YouTube. I know a lot. Sir Solana, can I short? Shiba, ADA, Rachel Firma. Hey man, what's up? How are you doing? So let me just share all the charts, guys, in the VIP. Just one sec. 1 inch, as discussed in... All right. So next chart, we have Phantom. This is forming again a bear flag pattern. So for ADA, possible target still within this range. This is 10% move, guys. So if you're trading leverage, this is already a big trade. 10% multiplied by 50x or 25x, it's already big gains, guys. So again, we have here Gala. Yesterday we have discussed Gala for possible target, ideal target or breakout target for Gala from this falling wedge pattern. Big falling wedge pattern will be 0.1 cents, and major support, long position here, possible long position near this major support if this continues to hold. And stop loss, again, if you're trading this kind of trade, you need to manage your risk because the percentage are huge. Let's check how many percent is this. This is 20% because we are looking at the daily time frame and bigger trades. But if you are trading there are different types of trade, guys. There are position trading, there are swing trades, there are scalping. So you need to adjust your position size based on the type of trading strategy that you are using. So it depends. You might think that you can trade like $10 or $100 using 5x leverage for this kind of trade in the daily time frame, but in the lower time frame you can have higher margin and higher leverage. So it depends. So for this one, if you're going to set long position, this is 20% because this is the daily time frame. But if you're going to look at the lower time frame, like 1 hour, you can have different structure here, like for this one. In the daily time frame, this will be our resistance, so possible short position here. If this this is just an example on how you can manage your risk for lower time frame. So possible short position here, you can adjust your risk by 3% or a little bit above this candle wick here, possible short, and stop loss here. This is just an example. This is not the actual trade that I'm going to take. And also you can consider RSI is already in the overbought area, so possible quick short here. But the percentage is very small. And also you need to consider trading altcoins are very risky. So that is why mostly I'm only trading big caps and medium caps coins, because if you're trading like OP or trading high risk coins, like what else do we have? We have Unify. That can get you wrecked, especially if you don't know how to properly set position sizing. If you're in a cross position, if you don't know how to set stop loss, that could liquidate your account. Give me please some ideas for spot for BINGX. One sec, I'm reading some of the messages here in the VIP. Bro, check Doge chart. Sir, check Solana, please. Solana. So let's check Solana if we still have time. And by the way, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Last chart here, we have Rune. Rune is trading inside this channel. So again, possible swing trade, long, short, long position, short near the resistance trend line. Again, long here, short near the resistance trend line, long position near the support trend line. We have a major resistance on this white line at 2.9. Again, possible short near this area, long every time it revisits the support trend line. So this could be a good swing trade, guys. Rune chart. Let's check how many percent. This is huge, 34% swing trade. And let's check how many days. This one is 8 days, 1 week, but also the gains are 35%. And also this one here, short position, 6 days, 1 week. So again, swing trade strategy for Rune. Rune, swing trade. As discussed. All right, so last chart, Solana from YouTube Trader. Let's check Solana for YouTube Trader. What's the Bitcoin still trading in range. Solana perpetual, Oh, I have already the chart for Solana. So this was discussed, guys, previously. Previously, in the previous stream, we have a possible bounce here near the support and another support here for Solana. So if you have watched the previous stream, if you have copied the chart, I have shared this on Twitter, I think. So let me check. As far as I remember, Solana. Bearish, this is previous chart, Solana. This was when? February. Bear flag, bearish flag. You see this bear flag target here. Breakdown target is 49. So what happened to that? Where is that bear flag? I just would like to refresh. Bear flag target. Possible 49. Which time frame was that? 4-hour time frame. Bear flag. Oh, that was a different pair, I guess. Solana. We have small bear flag in the 4-hour. From 97. So let me just refresh, guys. I'm just intrigued with the setup here. From 97, where is the bear flag? From 97. Here. Is this the one? 97. Is this the bear flag? Can't find it. Already hit the target. Alright, so I did not share it, unfortunately, on Twitter, but here in the previous stream, again, long near the support trend line, short here, possible long, swing trade again, short near the resistance trend line, long near the support, and right now Solana have a bounce from the support trend line. So this is right now, we have our resistance here, and it seems that the support trend line is still holding. Thanks for subscribing, Eddie. So for Solana, guys, it seems that we got a bounce here. 4-hour time frame. The RSI is still looking bullish. We have our volume also, but we have like a channel here. One sec. Let me draw a parallel channel. It seems that Solana is still trading inside the channel. So watch out, guys, in the lower time frame. Let's check 1-hour time frame. Solana is still trading. Possible short here, possible short, because this is, you see, we have the parallel channel, downtrend channel. By the way, this is a bullish pattern, guys, because this could be a reversal once it hit the bottom of the channel, like for this one here. We have a channel. We have a channel here. So once you see a breakout, then that will be a possible trend reversal. But right now, Solana is still trading in between the support and resistance trend line. So we have the resistance trend line here and a support trend line. Still in an overall downtrend, but look at this level here. This level is important here. If this holds, we might see a bounce and a possible breakout from this level. So watch out for this level. If you want to short it, RSI right now is in the overbought area, 1 hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. Let's check. 15-minute time frame still. I think this is still going to bounce. Oversold area in the 15-minute time frame, and we have also the trend line here and support. So this could be possible breakout. Possible breakout could happen for Solana. It seems that the hacking incident didn't actually affect the price, or this is the effect here. How many percent was this? How many percent? 8% drop. I think this is the one. So let's check first the 4-hour time frame. Don't rush, just chill. 4-hour time frame looking bullish. The daily time frame. Daily time frame looks like it's bouncing. And we have our resistance here. Let me just make it clear. Make it clear. Let me delete this. Another resistance here. All right, so this two, 42 and 44. And we have our support trend line and a possible bounce and reversal here. So lower time frame, watch out for this level. This one. We have a support trend line and also here acting as a support. So if this hold, we might see a breakout from the downtrend channel. This could be possible long here. And target will be this one, 5%, 5 to 6%. If you want to short to minimize the risk, wait for the price to at least reach this level here, or watch the lower time frame. Check out the 15-minute time frame. Wait for this RSI to reach at least the overbought area. But overall, this is still trading inside the downtrend parallel channel. So eventually, guys, we will see a break of trend similar to Bitcoin. Let me show you Bitcoin's chart. In the lower time frame, we also have similar here. So similar price action. So we have this downtrend parallel channel, but we have seen a breakout from the parallel channel here, and right now this support is currently holding. This support is holding here in between wave B, possible resistance at 23,600. So for Solana, possible short and long position near this area. 1 hour time frame. If you want a short, this could be the good entry here, and a stop loss a little bit here. We have some trades going on here. So let's check the risk to reward ratio, 2.5%. It's actually 50-50, guys, because this is already sitting on a support right now. Sitting in a support, and this is the resistance or the support trend line in the daily time frame. So it looks like that Solana have bounced from the support trend line, and we have a channel. If you're going to zoom out, guys, if you're going to zoom out in the daily time frame, we have a parallel channel here. It's getting messy right now. So we have a parallel channel here. If you want to short, wait for the break of trend to be safer, because right now, if you're just looking at the lower time frame or the smaller time frame, you could be trapped, because this could bounce from the support trend line, guys. So you see, this is a bullish candle in the daily time frame. And if you want to trade, if you want to short, wait for the break of trend. Break out, retest of support, then you can short from this position here. Wait for the break of trend. Right now, it looks like that we got a bounce from the support trend line. So short and long position are still 50-50 in the lower time frame, because this looks like a bullish candle and a reversal candle similar to this one here. Bullish candle, so we might get a possible bounce until the next resistance trend line. But we have some resistances along the way here. So if you want to short, wait for the break of structure or break of trend here. This will be our support trend line in the daily time frame. This could be a good short entry upon break of trend. Right now, I'm not shorting it because this could be a bullish candle or a reversal candle. So that's it for Solana. And that's it for today. Time check, it's 10:35. Thanks for joining me, guys, today. I appreciate your support. And if you like this kind of content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times. I'll update you. I'll continue to update you on Twitter, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.